Hello, and welcome to our reading focus on using context clues. Do you know what the word gaunt means? What about aloof or forlorn? Maybe commercial vehicle, or maybe not, but that's okay. I am going to reveal a powerful detective strategy that will help you figure out what words mean. A context clue are hints that the author gives to help define a word that you don't know. The clue may appear in the same sentence as the word you don't know or in a nearby sentence. This is useful and important strategy because it helps you understand what you are reading, and it allows you to easily learn new vocabulary. There's different types of context clues. They're not all the same, so you have to look at what the sentence is telling you. For example, there are synonyms, antonyms, explanations, and examples. We'll go over those in just a second. If you don't see any of those types of clues in what you're reading, you should look for a dictionary. But usually when you're reading, the words around will give you clues. Let's start with our first example, which is synonym. A word or group of words that has the same meaning as the unknown word can be found in the sentence. Example, my little brother is gaunt, just so thin. So what would you write as your definition for gaunt? Let's go back to our context clues. The word gaunt is what we're trying to figure out. Then it tells me just so thin and bony. So I could use the synonym thin and bony as my definition. Let's look at an example of an antonym, or opposites can also be found in the sentence. A word or group of words that has the opposite meaning of the unknown word can be found in the sentence. Here's an example. Though some students are aloof, others pay attention to everything. So, pay attention to everything is the opposite of aloof. So aloof must mean not paying attention. That's how the sentence used an antonym. Another way is the sentence will give an explanation. The unknown word is explained within the sentence. Here's an example. My friend was so forlorn when her dog died that she cried for a week. So an example of being forlorn is crying for a whole week. So I can take that explanation and come up with a definition that forlorn can mean to be very sad for a long time. Another type of context clue is example. Specific examples in the sentence help define the term. Here's an example in a sentence. Commercial vehicles such as trucks, buses, and taxis with paid drivers can all be found on the road. Let me go back to my text. I don't know what a commercial vehicle is, but it gives me an example. Such as trucks, buses, and taxis with paid drivers. So a commercial vehicle could be a truck, a bus, or a taxi, or some type of vehicle that has a paid driver and is used on the road. These are different ways that we can help understand words and sentences that we do not know. In the following activity, you will read each sentence. You will underline the part of the sentence that helps you find the meaning, and then write a definition for the word in bold. Use context clues. Read carefully.